my review of this machine for the buck your pain is actually very good. It's powerful. It has a dial, which I really like, because sometimes if it's very strong, it can pick up the carpet or rug, whatever. You can tune it to your needs. It's strong and sturdy here. And the cord is long. It's very long, good enough. I don't know how long, honestly. The telescopic thing is good. The only weakness I see is what you just witnessed. Actually, this comes off easy. It's an easy fix. You can push it hard in, but fortunately it doesn't stay in as sturdy as you want it to be, as sturdy as this one. This one is hard to take off, and this one comes off. So that's the only thing I can comment at this point. Otherwise, it's very strong. It's quiet for the strength it has. I have another another Bissell from many years ago. It's working still very good. It's just that the telescopic nozzle is not like the thing is kind of half broken. Oh, one more thing. This is very narrow and bends really well, so I really like it. So as I said, for the buck your pain, it's very well made, except this part, which I cannot tape it because I'll have to sometimes, you know, take it off to use this nozzle and attach the small attachments and stuff. Yeah, anyway, I can push it harder in, maybe it stays, or I have to hold this. But this is made to be held in your hand like this.
Look inside. Look. No.
I'm pretty sure this is my favorite feature. Cool.